another new video. Today in this video I'm going to do something different, just like Android theming. You guys already know about that. So this is a root application, and you guys will get it on Google Play Store. And of course, let me show you guys. And I don't have the internet connection right now. Here you guys can see it's not working. And I already downloaded. First of all, open your device and open the Play Store and find out that root seeker, which is called root seeker, and download that application first of all. And after downloading the application, then open the application and it will ask the root permission. That means grant the permission. And of course, you guys can see the root, and your device must be rooted. And if you don't want to root your device, then of course you guys can skip that. So this is the system theming, app theming, and pitch black background. If you are using AMOLED device, that means you have AMOLED screen on your device, then of course pitch black background, which is really cool. You guys can disable system theming. You guys can disable app theming. That means if you want to use only app theming, you guys can do that. If you want to install use system theming only, then of course we have that option. And this is the about section and all these things. And previously we had another application, maybe I didn't share with you guys, which was Repainter, and which is really a paid application, so I don't recommend that for now. If I get any something to manage, so I will provide it. So let me talk about that system theming. Just open this one, and of course here is the right now we have that monitor support in Android 13, Android 12, whatever, and I'm using that color right now. I'm changing the color right now. Let's see what happens. I'm selecting that one and I'm applying this, and it will take some time and then it will be applied. Just wait for that. It's already applied. Okay, let me show you. It's done. Granted superuser rights. And here you guys can see, you guys can select this is the Android theming way. You guys can do that. And app theming also you guys can select just like that. If you select, you guys can select that custom transparency here, just like this. Here is the transparency options, and here we have the custom system. You guys can select like this. Just click on apply, and it will take some time to be applied. And seeker was superuser rights taken, already done. So let me show you right now in the background, and which is really cool. You guys can select any applications or other things, and if I select that one, then the background will be changed of applications. So let me show you. Just wait for the application. So it's already applied, and let me show you. And this is the applications. In the background you guys will get like this, and where is the keyboard already changed, so you guys can already know about that thing. And if you want more customizations, just like that, if you want to disable app theming, just click on the disable options and it will be disabled. Just wait for a while and it will be done. So it's done already. So this is it. I hope you guys love the applications for now. So this is the video, and if you like my work, then do subscribe and hit the bell icon. So thank you for watching.